Hello Year 2, welcome to Lawswood School Spag Session 7. Today we're going to learn about the past and present tense. So we're going to learn how to use the tenses correctly in our writing and be able to say whether a sentence is written in the past and present tense. Okay, so we're going to start by thinking about things that we do first thing in the morning, so at the beginning of our day. So I get up, I walk downstairs, I eat breakfast, I brush my teeth, I take the dog for a walk. Which words in the sentences on this screen are verbs? So think about what is a verb and then see if you can find them in these sentences. Okay, so the verbs are get, walk and eat, and they're the doing words. They're the words that tell you what someone is doing. So these verbs are in the present tense, which means that they're things that are happening right now. So get, walk and eat are present tense. They're happening. So if I was talking about things that I'd done at the weekend, I might say I listened to music, I swam in the ocean, I baked an enormous cake, or I saw my nanny. So have a look now, which of these words are verbs? So I've changed the verbs in these sentences to go from present tense to past tense. So it means I've said that I'm doing them right now in the present, and then I've spoken about them because I'd done them in the past. So I listened to music, or I listened to music. I swim in the ocean, or I swam in the ocean. I bake enormous cakes. I baked an enormous cake. I see my nanny, or I saw my nanny. So some words you just have to add ed to the end of the word to change them into the past tense. So for example, play becomes played, jump becomes jumped, and so on. So have a look at these words now and see if you can use them in a sentence. You could also challenge yourself and see if you could write them in a sentence but in the present tense. So how would the word change if you were going to write it in the present tense? So I've got another challenge now. Can you have a look at these verbs and see if you can write them into the past tense? So they're in the present tense at the moment. Jump, look, start, eat, hear. See if you can change them into the past tense and then use them in a sentence. So you'll need a paper and a pencil for this. have a go. Well done, everybody. Thank you for working so hard.